my YouTube channel, and I'm really sorry I have not been active. However, I've had this video in mind for a really long time, and I just haven't had the right people to help me. I haven't had the time to do it, but I think I am finally ready, and I'm so excited to do it. So the kind of video I'm doing today is a little different than the traditional videos that I do, which are usually test drives with different cars. I'm doing a video that's going to be good for the guys and for the girls. So with that said, I'm going to be a passenger in this BMW 428, which is my car, and I'm going to have a driver, which is going to be my brother. So we have plans tonight to go out to this nice shopping center, do a little shopping on this Sunday. However, I didn't have time to get ready. Usually I'm all done up with my makeup, my hair and everything, but due to the time, I did not have enough time to get ready and do my makeup. So I'm going to do something that most people do on their normal day-to-day commute or to their destination or wherever they're going. I'm going to get ready in the car. You traditionally see ladies putting on their mascara, their lipstick, people brushing their teeth, men shaving in the car. So I decided that I want to do a makeup tutorial in the car on our way to our destination. So I'm going to be passenger. I'm going to be doing the whole package, foundation, eye makeup, contour, shadow, mascara, everything, just for an everyday look. And at the same time of doing that, we're going to be doing a ride and handling test on this car. So the whole point is doing a makeup tutorial to see how precise, how good I could get my makeup done and on point with all the bumps and you know, turns and twists and turns on the road. And at the end of getting ready, we're gonna see how well my makeup turns out. So based on that, that's gonna tell us how well the suspension is, how comfortable the suspension is on this car, and just seeing if my liner is on point, to see if my contour is on point, just to see everything, if it's all lined up, if it's all good, and that's going to judge how well the suspension is on this 4 Series. So keep watching and let's get started. kind of see the foundation. I used this different foundation called Maybelline Fit Me for the first time. I've never used that one before, so this one was kind of like a test. So it was a little hard to work with because it dries really quick, but you can see kind of like my liner. It's not perfectly straight, but I mean, for the bumps that we were going through and kind of the driving habits that my brother was doing and kind of speeding, accelerating, I think it turned out pretty well. If you can see my contour, I feel like my contour is pretty like even. My lipstick's pretty well, my highlighter. Overall, I think that the makeup looks good for a car tutorial, a makeup look in the car. And we were driving, I mean, I don't know if you guys saw that Subaru, that it was, I think, an STI. Yeah. I don't know if you guys saw that, but like we were accelerating, we were going fast, we were going over 100 at some point, and I was still putting on my makeup and everything. So I think overall the makeup look came out really well for that kind of environment that we were in. I think that the suspension was really good. I didn't, maybe once or twice I kind of felt like we were going in a pothole or kind of like a bump, a high bump, but other than that, I mean, I think everything, I mean, it says it right here. Of course, it's not going to be as clean or put together as if you're at home, but overall, I think the look came out pretty well, and if I had like an important appointment, I would do it again because I'm pretty happy with the overall look. So let me know, you guys, what you guys think. This eye kind of came out because right when I was doing this one, we kind of went down into a little bump and it kind of messed up, but I think still overall the look came out pretty well for my eye makeup. I mean, it's not bad. Otherwise, I am happy with this look. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and then you guys can follow me on Instagram at DrivenByMadmozel as well. Thank you.